I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home.
And a good morning to everyone. Today we'll be going out on a photo shoot today and going up into an area that I haven't been to yet. So we will see what's going on and what the adventure today will have in store for us. Another beautiful day here in Cebu. Minglanilia, Cebu to be exact. I hope everyone's doing good, and I will see you there. So we made it to an area where we'll be shooting. Beautiful man-made forest. We'll be videotaping our experience. Camp 7, and we are taking a walk to where we're going to be shooting some stuff. So I'm here up in the man-made forest at Camp 7 with You Got Spotted.
Hey, what's up?
And our models, and we're shooting motorcycles today. And you're doing a commercial?
Wannabe commercial.
Wannabe commercial. Awesome. So
You have the skater now, go.
I press the button and the doors go up. Whoa, that money clip us now, the new now looks like. Whoa, upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like. Whoa, 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 whoa. I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, Finnish friends on my face, looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers, pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it.
So we're done with the photo shoot up here in the mountains, but we stopped over here to see these mountains and the river, as you see behind me. And our mode of transportation is these motorcycles, which they call hubble hubble. And we're done with our day here. Just taking a little rest before we get back to the city. So much cooler up here, probably 15 degrees difference from up here to down where I live. It's a lot higher altitude, so that's